7 a.m. Oh, shut up. It's 7 a.m. and I'm exhausted. I guess it's better than when I wake up at 5 a.m. on weekdays for my internship. Cannot believe I'm waking up early to work out. This is the part where I pee. So okay, welcome back in. I can serve water, don't worry. My favorite face wash. Should we do like old school beauty guru? Out in a really long time, and I'm going to my first spin class in months, and I'm a little nervous. My favorite moisturizer is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I literally cannot go 10 seconds without this on my face. It's almost gone. I mentioned this before, and a lot of you guys tell me that I'm absolutely insane, but I'm not really a breakfast person. Like, I absolutely love breakfast food, but I'm not really hungry in the morning, and I try not to eat if I'm not hungry. Not hungry right now, so I don't really want to eat food. Sometimes I have a protein shake, but like, not hungry. I'm gonna shower. This thing up. I have a photo shoot today, so I actually need to get ready and put makeup on and like do my hair and everything, so I'm gonna do that while watching The Bachelorette, which is loading. Oh no.
Never quit.
Makeup is done. Now I need to figure out what I want to wear. I also need to do my hair, but it's like still wet, so I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. I have no clue what I'm gonna wear though, so yeah. This is just not my angle, but I added some winged liner. It's completely crooked. I did that to procrastinate getting ready. I guess getting dressed, same thing. Oh, it's not even my face. Trying to pick out what to wear. I just ate my lipstick by accident. Here's the fit. Ta-da! I gotta go, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are not subscribed, definitely do that. I'm also doing a $50 Sephora gift card giveaway on my Instagram if you guys want to go follow me and enter. Enter if you're not already. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.